There's my assistant. Say hey, man. Can you say hello?
Why is my stool out here?
I had to use it.
You have to read it?
Yeah. You can take it back in now, though. Thank you for letting me borrow that. See you later. Alright, we're up to about. That's getting close to 200. So I'm going to go ahead and turn that off. And then this says we got about 6 minutes left on the match. So hopefully that 6 minutes will give that enough time to cool back down a little bit. I'd rather be too hot than too cool because I can just add a little bit of cool water to that and get it down to where I need it. So I'm looking for 180 for my sparge temp. So 6 minutes and then I'll show you what I do for the boil with the hops.